Viva. Market update. Very quick market update. Taking a look at fear greed index. Um, I've been out of YouTube for a while, but we're back. We're back. Couple things changing. You know, the market seems to go into a more like a formal direction. I wouldn't say a bold direction yet. Not yet. We'll wait for some type of confirmation. I'll show you guys later. Okay, so now we'll look at fear and greedy index. Last month, as you know, it was pretty bad. 15. Last week, 31, and now we're looking at 42. That's pretty good. That's actually pretty good. So let's actually take a look at BTC. We're just gonna take a look at BTC. Probably will take a sweep on Ethereum, and then we'll end up this video, not to make it too long. Okay, so we'll look at a daily time frame. As you can see here, daily time frame, I'm using the 50 EMA. I like to use the 50 EMA, but there's, you know, for this analysis, there's no need for it. Just take it out. What you see right now, I want you guys to see what's going on, what Bitcoin is actually doing. What I'm seeing right now, you might not see it, you might see it, or you might not see it, is that Bitcoin is actually forming the same thing that it formed here, back. You actually form a bear flag. I'm just going to show you guys. I've drawn here this horrible bear flag. If we go a bear flag right here, I just want to show you guys what I mean by bear flag. I know some people there, if you're a trader, you might know what I'm talking about. If you're not, if he's new to you, if it's not, so it's all good. See right here, I want you guys to focus on this image right here. What highlighting with my mouse right here. You see what's going on here? I want you guys to focus right over here. This is very important. Going back to BTC, if you look at it, what BTC is doing is almost exactly what's in that image. And you know, we're going back to that image so you'll know what I'm actually seeing again. So BTC is doing the same thing here. He actually made a bear flag right here. And what happened, it dropped. What's going on here is making the same thing, guys. So I keep telling, somebody asked me yesterday, my sister asked me if should buy or not. And somebody else, a friend of mine told me, is it time to get in? I'll say no. You know, if you're a trader, it's the best thing, you know, because you can do swing trading. What BTC is doing the same thing, guys. You see what I'm seeing right now? What's going to happen, guys? BTC is about to drop. I don't know how far it is going to go down, but this whole sentiment or bullish or anything, be careful, guys. This is not the time to buy. If you didn't buy it when BTC was down here at 17, 18, or even 19, 18, it's not the time to buy. If you are a trader, this is the best opportunity. So you can short, you can short, you can long, whatever you want to do it. We're gonna go back to that image so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing, what I showed you guys. Look at that. Isn't that exactly as we're seeing right now? This is incredible, man. This is very incredible. So be careful on BTC. This whole sentimental, I seen a lot of people making videos saying billionaires is about to be making all that stuff. Guys, there's nothing that would give us the liquidity that we want to get back to the bull market. There's nothing. The CPI numbers came out. It's horrible. It's completely horrible. Inflation is horrible. Globally, inflation is horrible. Countries are collapsing. I know some people are saying this is when Bitcoin was shining. Guys, Bitcoin is still a risky investment. There's a lot more to be flushed out. So It's just if you're not a trader, I think the best thing you want to do is do DCA or just become a master in terms of investment in crypto or risk assets. Go and learn more about the categories. Learn more what. Imagine, remember, this is one example I keep giving to the people. Imagine you go to categories. There's so many categories on cryptocurrency. Look at it and see, okay, if there is legislation coming out in the United States about crypto, what type of category will survive or which one will not survive? You know what I mean? So you want to start investing that way because regulations is coming to crypto, whether you like it or not. They won't let it be the way it is for as long as we want it. And that's not going to happen, guys. So government, they need to control whatever the public are doing. So one thing I keep saying, learn, study, study, study. Go back to the history of the dot-com bubble. I have a couple of videos there that showed you guys what happened back there. You can take a look, go deeper, understand what type of categories in the dot-com bubble, in the tech bubble, which ones did they survive? We have a couple: Yahoo, Amazon, Google, etc., etc. So you see what kind of categories actually survive, and there's some and how did they actually how did they uh, comply with the new laws that came after the bubble? How did they adjust? Did any other that survived the dot-com bubble when the regulation come in? Did they survive? Did they adjust it? Were they be able to adjust? So you got to know what's going on, see the similarities, go to the cryptocurrency, go to the crypto market, look at the same eyes because we kind of going in the same path. So that way, you know, okay, this category is trash. It won't survive because of this, 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 this. If you find those, if you find those based on your research, go and ask people that you think can know more than you. Ask them. Maybe they have an opinion about it. Maybe they did their own research, or post it on the internet, post on Twitter. There's a lot of people they willing to give you their opinion in terms of what they think what the market is going. So going back to the BTC analysis, here's what I'm seeing. I just told you what I'm seeing. I'm just going to draw it here so you guys can see exactly what I'm seeing right here. This is what I'm saying. See, this is what I'm saying right over here. I can kind of push it a little bit more. It doesn't matter if it's not perfect. What I'm seeing here, guys, as you can see, I'm just gonna increase that a lot because one thing that it kind of confirmed this bear flag is because Bitcoin came right here in 24, it got rejected. July, and then July tested again, got rejected. In August, tested again, it got rejected. Right now it is in there testing it out. It might come back and do a fake out. People think it will go up to 30 and stuff. It might do a fake out and just come back and just crash it. So for swing traders, it's good time. For investors, I don't think you want to come in heavily, come in investing right now. I don't think, my opinion, is not a smart investment right now for you to come in and start doing your investment right now because I've been repeating that a lot. When things are getting back to track, when people are becoming very positive and stuff, it's not the time to buy. There's so many investors, big investors that keep telling you guys, buy when everybody's stressed out. That's pretty much it. There's no secret there. So, yeah. So, what I'm seeing right now, I'm not seeing a very strong. We'll see when it closes today, but right now it's kind of struggling to just to come and retest it again at 24,800. So we'll see, but It might come back up to here, the 25, 26, but what I'm saying is Bitcoin coming back down here. That's what I'm saying. It's forming a bear flag. I would be comfortably if BTC goes up to 31, 32. That might change my perspective on the market. But I need to see more. I need to see inflation is going down, liquidity being injected in the market, new projects, or you know, I need to see more. I'm not seeing none of that, so I'm not bullish right now. I'm just pretty happy that trading right now is a good day. It's good. It's a good time to trade. You know, it's not easy, but it's great. All right. Okay. All right, guys. So this is let's go to Ethereum and see what's going on in Ethereum. Ethereum, I have some setting up to Ethereum. Let's go back because there's a lot of people are doing is foaming on Ethereum right now because of the merge. What we're seeing on Ethereum, the daily time frame, I can tell you we seeing almost the same thing was happened on BTC. See, we'll could actually do something very even easier for us to see. Let me just go back here where it is. It's right there. Right there. Yeah. So I would definitely move that, put it right here. And here it is, guys. Still a bear flag that is moving right here. I would have, as you can see, I have put some major resistance right here. It was between, I have measure resistance between 2096, 2016, 2096 is a very heavily measured resistant area for Ethereum. If Ethereum can go past that, I will be pretty not bullish, but you know, if it passed through that, it's gonna come through to 3,000. It's just between almost 3,000, and then I think the momentum is gonna is gonna come back and crash it again, guys. So be careful right now. A lot of people are FOMO because of the merge, but things are not looking too good. It might look too good right now if you just see on a lower time frame, but in a daily and a weekly time frame. But let's say even take a look at a weekly time frame. Right here, guys. Even in a weekly time frame, this is looking real bad. It's not looking too good. It's not looking too good, guys. It's not looking too good. You know, so we'll it doesn't mean that you won't be, you know, if you're a trader, it's a great time to trade, guys. If you want to start investing right now, guys, yeah, telling you guys, you guys been sleeping. So just wait. There'll be other opportunities. I don't know how far the market is gonna go, but I think you should be careful because we're not out of the woods yet. We're still in a bad market. As I told you before, way before I told you guys, there will be rallies, and I'm expecting by the end of this year, or even before the end of this year, we might have a huge market rally because if the market keeps cracking, you know, governments will have to step in and insert a lot of liquidity in the market to incentivize people to stop buying and spending. So that might bring a lot of liquidity to the market, stock market, crypto, the tech. Everybody's getting that liquidity. You know what happened? There will be FOMO, and then we might get Bitcoin till 50, and we'll make a lot of money on the trading as well. And for those that bought BTC at 17, 18, they'll make some profit. So altcoins will make big. You know how altcoins is. So that will be one of the biggest opportunity to cash out and just wait on the sidelines when things keep going down. That might happen. That might not happen, guys. So yeah. So guys, any questions? Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and whatever questions, just hit me up on the WhatsApp group. All right, guys. I'll see you in the next video.